Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes. So it's the holiday season, so I like this time of the year, guys. Like, I get all excited, I just have that feeling. I don't know, like I'm just like a little kid again. Like that holiday spirit, Christmas spirit is just I don't know. Anyways, guys, so welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any uploads from me, and make sure you hit the bell button of course so you don't miss any uploads from me. So in this video I'm going to be doing something fun. It's the holiday season, so we are going to be doing the 10 perfect holiday or Christmas gift ideas for me. Okay, and before I continue, let me just say this is a collaboration video with the beautiful Pam. I'm gonna link her channel below. You guys make sure you go ahead and check her out, subscribe and like her video, and all that good jazz. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. So go ahead and click out of this video, go check her out. She does mommy videos, hair videos, vlogs. I mean, she does it all. So make sure you go check it out. Check her out. All right, so let me get started. I have them written down on my phone so that I don't forget. All right, so number one, the perfect gift for me, the wallet. Now, tell me which guy does not love wallets? Okay. Number two, shoes. I mean, you already know, like, you can get your guy or your dad or your uncle, whoever it is, perfect shoe, especially now that it's cold. Perfect winter shoe. That's a perfect gift idea. Number three, gloves. Talking about the weather, yes, it's getting really cold, and gloves, you can never go wrong with that. Like, they always come in handy. Most guys will be thinking, I really need gloves, it's getting cold, but they never actually go out to get them. So yes. Number four. Am I number four? I think so. Okay, for the guys that love music, electronics, you can get them some headphones. Okay, and they can be bumping into headphones, bumping into some good music. You know what I'm saying? Get them the really nice headphones with good sound. Number five. Am I on number five? Yes. A perfect watch. Did I already mention that? No, I didn't. Okay. Number five, watch. You can get that, a nice watch, something really cool, sexy, you always need to know what time it is, even though you can check on your phone, but still, it's kind of like an accessory for men, and look cool with it. Number six, a robe, a bathrobe. Perfect, cozy one too, like, because it's cold, so when they get out of the shower, you just need to get really warm, nice and warm, get cozied up and waste your time instead of getting ready. All right, number six. Is it number 6? 7? Yo, I am missing my numbers, like literally. I hope I have all the numbers down correct. But number 6, lunch bag. I don't even need to say more on that one. Lunch bag is perfect. It's a perfect idea. Oh, anybody. Number 7, perfume, cologne. You know what I'm saying? Like, just get a really, really nice smelling, sexy cologne for, your man or anybody really. You just find out what they like to smell like or how you like them to smell. If it's like that special somebody, perfect. Number 8, a game. If your man is into games, or if somebody you're planning to get a present for is into games, it's perfect. I mean, come on, perfect. Number 9. I'm missing the numbers. Pajamas. Okay, I mean, you can never go wrong with that. Number 10, shaving set. A shaving set. Well, yeah, a shaving set. Even if your man keeps the beard gang, like my man is, this to me the shaving set. You know, they need to like groom it and all that kind of stuff. So a shaving set. Alright, and this is gonna be number 10. If it's not number 10, then it's bonus because I don't know where I am, what number I'm on. So number 10, oh, bonus, a coffee maker. You know, when you're rushing in the morning and you just need to, no, let me not even say when you're rushing, you just need a really nice coffee maker. If you know, if somebody, your significant other is into, you know, coffee, you can get the perfect coffee maker. Okay, all right guys, that is it for this video. That is it for all the gifts ideas. I hope I helped you guys out deciding what you want to give for your significant other this holiday season. Not just significant other, like anybody, you know, any special man in your life, your dad, your uncle, your brother, your whatever it is, you know. I hope this is like a really perfect, you know, simple gifts for your significant. What am I saying? This is a perfect video for that. All right, and make sure you check Pamela's YouTube out. Check her out, like her video, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you liked it, subscribe to my channel, and comment below. All right guys, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye guys.